Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to use the Ken Burns tool. So what is Ken Burns tool? So Ken Burns is basically a tool wherein you can crop out a photo or a video, but it has an effect of you zooming into it. So for example, if I want to zoom in on this part of the photo, I'll just select the clip on my timeline and then over here press on this arrow and then click on crop and then click on Ken Burns. Now this is the start of the this is where your the zoom in will start, and this is where the zoom in will end. So I want it right here. Now if I click on this button over here, I can see how it goes. So as you can see, I'm zooming in. It looks like I'm zooming into the photo. Now just click on done, and over here on your timeline play the clip, and you can see that it looks like I'm zooming in on the photo. So this is what Ken Burns is, and this is how you use the Ken Burns tool on Final Cut Pro. Thank you.